I'm rather pleased that Gladiolus are back in fashion. I grew acres of them as a young man in the horticultural industry and still like to grow a row for cut flower. But of course at this time of the year, back end of the autumn, when the foliage begins to go a bit yellow and look a bit rough, it's the time to lift and store. I'll just get my fork under this little clump here and we'll see what comes up. Just lift them as carefully as you can. And one there has just snapped off. And up they come. I'll have to go back to get that one. And here you can see that there was the original corm that I planted last April, and on top of it I've now got two. I need to get my secateurs and just cut that off. You need to leave a handle of about 2 inches or so and cut them off like that. If you look very carefully you'll see that there are small cormlets around a number of cultivars, and they're all worth saving. Now you will notice that I've cut them off. Whatever you do, don't lift them and tie them in bundles and put them in a shed or something. They need to be dried very quickly once they're lifted. So I've got a tray here and I'll probably stack them either on their side, or if I can actually prop them up, even better. I'll take them indoors, really warm temperature, to dry very quickly. Let's just see if I can lift another little lot a bit further back, get rid of the debris. In goes the fork. Gently pull. Yes, they've all come this time. And there's just a single one in this case. There's the old corm, and once that has really dried, it'll take probably 2 or 3 weeks indoors, that old corm will just snap out much more cleanly when it's really dry. And you'll also find that this top stem will have dried back, and you can just wiggle it back and forth and it'll snap off cleanly to give you a corm exactly the same as you would buy from the garden centre next spring. So there we are. Store them well and they'll multiply year on year.